I'm Ryan, and I'm one of RETO Media's drone pilots. I'm FAA certified, and I love using the drone technology to capture your real estate properties. In my experience, I've seen a lot of ways that aerial video and photo can set listings apart. And I've also seen a lot of most common mistakes that realtors make when using drones to market their listings. With that in mind, here are some tips from RETO Media to make sure you always get the best from your drone shoots. Number 1, know the law. There are a lot of ins and outs to drone laws, but the basics are that you'll always want to make sure that you're using an FAA certified drone pilot. That means that they've been licensed and approved by the Federal Aviation Administration to fly drones commercially. Number 2, communicate with your pilot. You will always get the best photo and video when you've communicated clearly with your aerial pilot about the features you want to highlight. Whether that be a yard feature, a great view, or an exterior building like a shop or garage. It's also always helpful to send out a plat map before your shoot so your pilot will know exactly where the boundaries of your listing start and end. Number 3, communicate with your seller. This is the biggest mistake I see realtors make because nothing can ruin an aerial shoot quicker than an eyesore in the frame, like a landscaping truck in the driveway or a roof covered in debris or leaves. Make sure you've communicated to your seller that you'll be getting wide views from above so the listing is looking in top shape. Number 4, don't just stick with photography. Why just stick with photos when it's so easy and cost effective to get both photo and video? Aerial video is incredibly dynamic. It's a lot of fun and can really make your listing videos stand out. Number 5, hire a professional. For all these reasons and more, my main tip is to make sure you've hired a professional for your drone shoots. Like RETO Media, we'd love to take you and your listings to new heights.